Just a tiny bit of red ink all round. 9 down on the Dow, 24 down on the Nasdaq, 4 down on the S&P. That's not much movement. Some red. Charles Payne with me this morning. I got a feeling that this market rally, not today's, but the recent rally, is on the back of AI. Is that right?
The vast majority of it, because it's only 15 stocks.
That's it.
And most of those stocks are in or around. Listen, NVIDIA is the #1 winner this year. Meta is not necessarily AI, but believe me, they'll talk AI. Google,
that's where they want to go.
Right. Google's made this 20% move, this big move this week, because they're back in the AI game. They got 40,000 engineers that finally might be getting it right.
Well, can I interrupt you for one second? Tell me what you think. I bought Google yesterday. After the 5% run-up.
Sure. No, I'm long Google as well.
You're not laughing at me.
No, it's ironic. Okay. Just about 2 weeks ago, I had my subscribers buy Google as well. They're going to be formidable. They get 92% of searches, right? This thing learns on itself.
Yep.
That's the advantage they have over Microsoft and everyone else. It's a learning machine. So as people Google things, their AI will be able to catch up and surpass quickly.
Wait a second. I've switched from Google search to Bing.
And you bought the Google. Well, you already have Microsoft.
I've already got Microsoft.
Right? Okay,
but they use AI on Bing.
Yeah.
And I notice it. I mean, it seems to recognize my searches more. It moves me quickly to it.
It's amazing. It really, I mean, this whole AI thing is really, really amazing. There's a firm based out of Canada that says now we're at 50-50 whether or not they'll annihilate humankind at some point. And they're serious about this. This is how much of a threat it is. But let's make money first, and then we'll worry about survival later.
That's it. Cybersecurity. That's another area which seems to be lifting off AI, because people need security when you've got AI running loose.
You know, it's a hell of a combination, right? Yeah. Imagine AI in the wrong hands. I don't know that there's any systems out there that can really compete. I mean, we always know that the bad guys are one step ahead anyway. But to be one step ahead with this sort of a tool, this sort of a weapon, it's scary stuff. So, yeah, that's almost every business out there is going to have to retrofit or enhance their security to a major degree.
Have you got a cybersecurity stock that you use your subscribers?
Palo Alto Networks is one, and Fortinet, FTNT has been coming on real strong as well.
Okay. Regional banks. Are they now another threat? And they're mostly down this morning. It's not by any means a crash. That's not happening. But are they still a threat?
I don't think they've ever been I don't think there's ever been a systemic risk. They built that up so they can have an excuse to bail out the depositors of Silicon Valley Bank. Not Silicon Valley Bank, but their depositors, billionaires who donate to the Democratic Party. Okay. And that's where they blew this whole thing, because they have tried to rally around the notion that you're going to be selective with respect to bailouts. And then Treasury Secretary Yellen made things worse. She went on out there a couple of times and just said, yeah, certain banks, we will take care of all depositors. In other words, the big banks. And so they have actually made this a lot worse than it had to be. By the way, your mic take was great. And you said you have a sense that things are falling apart.
I do.
About 30 minutes ago, the University of Michigan sentiment read came out. It's crashing so bad.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't see that.
Year-end expectations for the economy plummeted 23% from last month.
Ooh.
From last month.
Whoa, that's huge.
It's in free fall. The American public is bracing for something ugly. And ironically, they don't see inflation going away. Inflation expectations actually edged up. So the American public thinks inflation is going to be embedded with a combination of those who, of recessionary pressures like the ultimate 1-2 punch.
Very interesting. Yeah. I'm glad you brought that to us. I missed that. I appreciate it.
It just came out just 30 minutes ago.
I still missed it. All right, Charles, thank you. We're going to watch you today. What is it, 2 o'clock?
Sheila Bair, my special guest.
Really?
Yeah. She's got a way to fix this banking crisis.
Okay, I'll listen. 2 o'clock Eastern right here on Fox Business. Thank you, Charles.
Thanks, Stuart.